Hi, Kansas. This video is for the Pick 3 pair method. I decided that even for the states that don't have pair play, I was going to go ahead and give you a video to show you how I would go about this process if you did have pair play offered. So for the Pick 3 pair method, to back test it, you're just going to go back 1 month. It looks like your pairs are coming from Saturdays. And then your state does not offer pair play. I find it very odd when the states don't offer it. So if this is something that kind of piques your interest, then I would definitely get a hold of whoever's in charge of, making the laws or the rules for this type of play. So I'm not exactly sure who that would be, but you could probably recommend it or look into it if that is something that interests you. Okay, so what I do is I go back about 1 month to test this theory out. Also, if you cannot see this page very well, then just pull up whatever site you use to look at the numbers. So on April 7th, you had 311 fall. And then you had a 310 fall on April 9th. So you had a 3-1 front pair. And then in another example, on the next week, you had you had 549 hit on April 14th. So you had a 564 on April 19th. So you had a 5x4 split. And then a couple more examples. You had 120 hit on April 21st. So you had a 0-1 back pair in the form of 601 fall. So that was on April 26th. And then on April 28th, you had 059 fall. So you had a 5-9 back pair on May 3rd with 359. So based on all of that, the potential numbers or potential pairs in the next 7 days would be coming from that 400 that hit on April 5th, or not April 5th, on May 5th. So you might have like a 40 front pair, a 4XO split, a 04 back pair, a 00 back pair, or it could reverse to a 40 back pair, a 0x4 split, a 04 front pair, and a 00 front pair. So in this video, I did check right before I recorded, and I did see that 405 did hit on May 7th, so today's day draw. So this video, what I would do is whatever number falls, I'm using the night draws on this. So if you're wanting to use this method, you would just take next Saturday's day number, or not, no, you would take next Saturday's night number, and then you would essentially just put in the same process that I showed in the video. I was going to wait a week just to have, a new number, since we already had this fulfill itself, but I didn't want to wait a week, and I had already made up the, I already put in the effort to make up the video. So anyway, Kansas, if you have any other questions, just let me know in the comments.